What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug. Today, I'm diving into how to build a profitable business using ChatGPT, step by step. AI is revolutionizing entrepreneurship, and you can start right from your laptop with no coding or upfront costs. First up, find a profitable niche. Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas based on your skills or trending markets. For instance, type, "Give me 5 digital product ideas in the finance niche." ChatGPT will provide you with concepts you can validate instantly. Next, let's build your brand. Once you've chosen a niche, use ChatGPT to craft your brand name and mission statement. You can even generate your first social media bio in minutes. Now, it's time to create your product or service. Whether it's an ebook, course, or freelancing offer, ChatGPT can help you outline and write content. You could literally build your first digital product in a weekend with AI support. Moving on to marketing. Let's automate it. Use ChatGPT to create ad copy, email campaigns, and viral social media posts. Combine it with tools like Canva to generate eye-catching visuals and videos. This way, you can attract traffic while focusing on scaling your business. Finally, automate and grow your operations. Once your system is in place, let AI handle customer service and scheduling. Tools like Zapier and ChatGPT plugins can turn your side hustle into a 24/7 business. Here's the bottom line. ChatGPT gives you the power of a full marketing team in your pocket. Those who learn to leverage AI now will dominate digital business in 2026. And before we wrap up, don't miss our $250 giveaway. To enter, just subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. It's easy, free, and you could be our next winner. So tell me in the comments, if you could build any AI-powered business right now, what would it be? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.